Welcome to this Tech News Fix-It channel, and let's talk a little bit about something that is unfortunately a sad thing, the theft of technology. Here we see a smartphone, but we're going to make it a little bigger, even including PCs or computers. Unfortunately, in the world we live, these devices are very expensive, so they have a high value. And it's important to make sure that you actually always keep an eye on your phones, on your devices, and have them with you. Especially when you go to restaurants, bars, don't leave them on the counter and, without surveillance. One of the things also that can be done, but it's very limited in its possibilities, is to enable the tracking of the device. So within devices, you usually have a possibility of having your device tracked. Problem is today, thieves are not dumb. So what happens is the phones are immediately shut down when they are actually stolen. Same thing for a PC. That means once they are shut down, you can't track them anymore. And that is a very limited thing. So unfortunately, if there would be tracking even when the phone is shut down, that would be nice, but it does not happen because the phone doesn't work. So tracking relies really on only one thing, having the device, always on, which thieves have learned that it's not a good idea. So just, I think the best thing to do, and it always is to always keep your device with you. I've seen too many people really careless about their phones and computers and, leave them there unattended for some reason. And, then they get surprised that when they come back, it's gone. And that's very important to make sure that you do not do that at all and that your device is with you all the time. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.